Yam farmers in Trelawny have been complaining about recovery efforts. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green spoke about prioritizing the sector's growth at the handing over ceremony of fertilizers and other agricultural inputs courtesy of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. Ramada Lyons has the details.
Trelawny is in it. Trelawny is in it, but we're not getting none. Because you don't look like you come here, some man. Come here. If you come back this place here, man, we want you here.
A frustrated farmer who believes the road to recovery post-Hurricane Melissa needs more effort on the part of the government. And so, she sends a message directly to the Agriculture Minister.
Floyd Green, if this is for you, remember Glory you from Sayers. You already start farmer, and I look to you. Because me see when you're on platform, you give big up farmer. Say you is head of the agriculture. Remember Trelawny.
She says the crops she produces are still in limbo. And this isn't just a threat to food security, but also to financial stability.
How much yam? Nothing. Me have to pick up this back, pick up the plant, the back right now. Me have little the plant, me have to pick up from this, have to put that sweet, and me usually have 1 and 2 if you gonna get one early seed.
Other farmers believe attention is being put on the hardest hit parishes. They contend that agriculture right across the board is losing.
I know one set of people, money have a share final. So me now say create me one barrel the other man no get. Cut up liquor.
Livestock farmers too say they're struggling to cope.
I damage me bad, no? Bad, kill all about 4 goats for me. And damage me house and the farm down, you know? Mash up the farm, Kalalo straight up.
The process rough me I tell you. Rough. You know, easy. We put it back up there. Because you see 500 back I tear down. Me not look on them there, no. Me left those because me one can't manage them there. If you put them up back, now if you left that and start all over again.
All now, you know, me not get no help towards that, you know. Me not get nothing towards that. Nobody come and can take up any damage at farm and nothing. Nothing like that.
However, some admit that they have been on the receiving end.
Alright, I tell you, it's all what we get about like 2 bags of fertilizer. That's the help I get. Sure.
Now, a week later, the Agriculture Ministry says farmers across several parishes have benefited from fertilizer and planting material as the government intensifies recovery efforts. Approximately 600 bags of fertilizer are being distributed along with seeds for crops including cabbage, carrot, cucumber, sweet pepper, onion, tomato, watermelon, and corn.
Focusing on cabbage, carrot, cucumber, sweet pepper, onion, tomato, watermelon, and corn. In addition, we're going to be working through the RADA system and the Agricultural Land Management Division to ensure that our farmers continue to receive critical guidance on soil testing, nutrition management, and application processes.
Ramada Lyons, TVJ News.